Imagine the power of a single positive thought. How can such a simple act transform our lives, and what is the underlying psychology that drives this change? Positive thinking is not merely a motivational mantra, it's a psychological phenomenon that taps into our subconscious, shaping our beliefs and actions. When we dwell on a positive thought, we're essentially programming our subconscious mind. This powerful part of our brain accepts these thoughts as truth, and in return, influences our behavior to align with these beliefs. So how does this process work? Let's delve into the science. The subconscious mind, unlike our conscious mind, doesn't question or argue, it accepts what we feed it. When we repeatedly affirm positive statements, these messages penetrate our subconscious. Over time, they begin to shape our reality. But the impact of positive thinking goes beyond shaping our beliefs. It also has a profound effect on our mental health. Positive thoughts can alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression, diffusing the negative energy that often accumulates within us. With each positive affirmation, we release this negative energy, making room for more positive and productive thoughts and actions. Imagine it like a battery. Negative thoughts drain our energy, leaving us feeling depleted and powerless. But positive thoughts work like a recharge, filling us back up and preparing us for action. But the power of positive thinking isn't just about what happens inside us. It's also about how we perceive and interact with the world around us. A positive mindset can change our perspective on life, influencing how we interpret events and how we respond to challenges. Think about it. When we're faced with a difficult situation, it's easy to succumb to negativity and feel stuck. But when we affirm to ourselves, "I am unstoppable," we shift our mindset. Suddenly, obstacles become opportunities and challenges become chances for growth. So, what are the key takeaways about the power of positive thinking? Firstly, positive thinking programs our subconscious mind, influencing our beliefs and actions. Secondly, it improves our mental health by reducing anxiety and depression. Thirdly, it recharges us, preparing us for positive and productive actions. Finally, it changes our perspective on life, turning obstacles into opportunities. So, wield the power of positive thinking. Harness it to shape your reality, improve your mental health, and transform your perspective on life. Remember, you are unstoppable. This is the magic of positive thinking. It's not just a philosophy, it's a tool for change, a tool that's always at our disposal, waiting for us to use it. So, start today. Think positive, be positive.